maestro. I get to check on the maestro. Alone, on the mission. How many men follow me go? Alone, on the thinker. I go by the Ikele bitches, ikele bitches. I'm on the move like a speed break. So far they couldn't believe it. Ikele bitches, ikele bitches. I'm on the move like a speed break. So far they couldn't believe it. Jumped out of school on the first day. My t-shirt look at money. I'm a boss, but my they call me. After my check, I was falling on the Sunday. Open the bank on the Sunday. Hello, fuck us it. So you know they see money working. Ferrari, they play. Tula Lamborghini, they play. Maybach, they play. Dropped off the Rolls Royce, they play. Bitches, I'm on move like a speedway. So fast, couldn't believe it. Too many minors. Man, never sleep for like 9 days. Just they play, just they play. Straight from my tooth, I like up, right to check him out. Some of these days, they just they take the trap like you, and then the trap like man. Ikele bitches, ikele bitches. I'm on move like a speedway. So far, they couldn't believe it. Ikele bitches, ikele bitches. I'm on move like a speedway. So far, they couldn't believe it. Because we don't fed, shouts out here. But because we don't send job and who buy the bar now we spend. After them, don't bracket you out like a locker. Who pray? Mama, throw it for the boys for Zanga. Hey, or they want to challenge the small boys, they cannot think of that. Under me, see how we did it to the ball like no man check and the best was scared and hey, I don't follow for the game where they play my advice. If you want to follow the way I like you, go say I. Why? You got to walk from forward to sunset like that time. You got to run to fall. You got to run to focus and to run dice. Yeah, but the money, but the guy that leaches no to below. Pull up to that. I look at time for money. You cannot see my party. So Calaman to slowly approach you. I'm comfortable at one time. They go the money up, everybody they roll the beat like ghost town. But I should pay me a brother. Louis Vuitton could set the ocean to where they fire. The money long as they hammer. I know they play with them. Let the small boys, they cannot think of that.
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebola DFM. We blend culture and entertainment.
Just walk on the beat. Cannot be forgotten. Every good one is how we not in. They got the lost at the wall of boxing. We do the buy and wall of cotton. But I keep on believing. You know, feel what I can tell hustling. That's how they laugh for a living. If there was something coming, I never pay. We put it in the wall of the go pay. You have a noya. Oba to be. I want to get back. Jamaica, I tell it. I was alive. I said, it's not a chance. Till I die, I will never lie.
Yahweh, the beginning and the end. And this is how we are balling into this one with thanksgiving, glory to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Amid the hardship in the country, we must continue to give praise, worship to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, who made it possible for us to see another beautiful day, the 25th day of March 2024. And you know what is about to go down right about Ketafu, right? Up a birthday splash. Yes, and this edition, Agafa unfold the word of God. When I say the word of the Lord was them, precept upon precept, precept upon precept, line upon line, here a little, there a little, that they might go and fall backward and be broken and snared, caught. Hell, if I'm not going to go akita for you, you go Oloma Chuku Nandwaye. Otu akosi ade no toto afo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Yes, it's a new day, a new week. Moro on a very good day. Mani buchalo papa no toto iki agubemo. Now, how can we just thank the King of Kings and Lord of Lords? Makifo na ema adokanizi. You gotta go. Yes, he is the one who instructs us. You gotta go on one instruction of life. Okay, I'll be solia on a very good day. We're being a general game. That's why the word of God says that he instructs him in the right judgment. God teaches him. On a very good day. Because for you to make it out of this life, you must plan with the master planner himself. You have to go to the King of Kings and Lord of Lords and plan with him today. Akụkọ Otikpoju ọkpanomo nwaka na-akpọ metal. And this is how we are balling in. Today bụ the International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and Transatlantic Slave Trade. Now this edition of Birthday Splash na the 103.5 FM. Yes, it's a beautiful day for us to reflect on individuals like, Oladua Ekwano, a man who was, kidnapped from this part of the world. I'm talking about the southeastern part of Nigeria. Back in the day, Mboju Ebolo, Manyanga Mamanyangwan, kidnapped them, all of a sudden, Ebo Fuzulongwe on Jamaica. All of a sudden, also for Fuzulongwe on United Kingdom as a slave. On our while and Emifedemia, Omegide Wagidembo at the end, go to his freedom. Mwete freedom ya kwa mwete freedom ya obido pursue beke when act ga abolish slave trade. At the end he succeeded. So today is a good day for us to reflect on the individuals like this one. I'm talking about Oladua Ekwano. Yes, Kiani Nana unfold. I gonna bakwa nkata bastalo domestic violence and keep as well. none get is quite out of hand. In as much as none you na help can go to the one now you know now one book okay I need to one very at the same time and will work wine to see man the problem when I had a on a very good day. Mother put us somewhere where say hey you're born here even working here and wine to give when you again when you even call you on a very good day. Oh well on your person banana I say na mother na boyfriend and girlfriend on order together on a very good day. Or born and can wine it in Kemoki for a gamma. But in Kemoka gets well on pempe. Yotago. All down on pempe on a very good day. I think Kawana and others are very glad on a very good day. If only you and you just see me go look at that and see. I know Puya be for somebody say I say organic high in Kuna or sitting back of man editing on a very good day. You try Muka native just Jena Kuku supermarket. Father and Nana on a very good day. Because of that fiala say you got to go spaghetti or bop also. A lot of things to talk about this morning. I cook oti boju. Yes, this beautiful day, the 25th day of March 2024, Webulu A Day, International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade. So, United Nations website today, Kobolo Ubasi Aga established for the outreach program on the transatlantic slave trade and slavery, also designated 25 March as the annual International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade. The day is observed with ceremonies and activities at United Nations headquarters in New York and at United Nations offices around the world. Yes, it's a day we'll begin to talk about individuals that have risen over time, to emancipate the black race from that, from the effect of that as Fun.com with hip-hop and Igbo culture. We will tell our stories if we don't get to tell them. We must tell our stories to the world. Some of the slaves, like some of the people who were taken away from this part of the world over there, like in the Nogasena, Yotago, Georgia, and Atlanta, they need to know where their roots, where the first way be do where potaba on a very good day. The Igbo slaves no kata jila kapa dodo nwefaka yotago make sure sena kata mafaga fi fa na Georgia ha we jilo ko buy na mili drown on nwefa just like that because non the Igbo have o wute farin ne keka ha gesi we gaze here yotago and I say her sing a song of Zion. All of those things, this will tell you that we have a lot of people over there. We have a lot of things to talk about this morning, but we'll have to start 2024. But this is to remind you that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Again, 08096661035. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. The first person I gave to go do with this morning at the celebration, Webble Elton John. Today but his birthday. He was born this day, so we celebrate him this morning. The man who made the song "Sacrifice." A lot of songs will go over time, even my Christmas hits. So we celebrate him this morning and we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday! It's unfolding right about Kitafo. Otikboju, the second person I celebrate Ketafo, where below the man that goes by the name Big Sean. I made the song when I said that one man can change the world. I made the song when I said that one man can change the world. This morning he was born this day, 25th day of March. So we say happy birthday, Big Sean. Happy birthday! It's unfolding right about Ketafo. Yes, I have a Tapana jacket for I celebrate and Deacon celebrated this morning. Yes, Kana, a lot of people will on a very good day. A lot of things. 1958, so we say happy birthday to her this morning. Happy birthday, yes. A lot of things to talk about. Yes, today is also the birthday of we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy. Yes, today is also the birthday of Yakubu Muhammad, a Nigerian actor and singer born March 25th, 1973 in Bauchi. So we say happy birthday to him right about now. Happy birthday. Yes, get involved. Let's celebrate you right about Fundwa. You right about Fundwa. Yes, I see now where reason mellow some people jika some people is seen on a very good day. Hey, I've got somebody on my list in you. Manon will you know Ganisia precept a line upon line here a little, there a little, you know that they might go and fall, but I want you to see me on a very good day. Now you Madam Big Ben. Not that you were talking for West Cousin and go Madam Big Spen. With me now. He hung on the ditch and Konya. Good day, when he had each and that is about time. It's about to go down. As we proceed to give Otikboju. Asena Ebian and Nijan Nki Bazua, who is everybody. You have to go hell on your one and ways, but you